Hello everybody and welcome to Johnny Plays, and today we're going to be playing Thomas the Tank Engine 2 because, I don't know, it's 10:33 a.m. right now, guys. I mean, I didn't just wake up, but I'm a really useful engine, said Thomas as he puffed into the shed that morning. What morning? Oh yes, puffed Gordon, but I bet you're not as fast as me. The others overheard and laughed. Please stop arguing, the Fat Controller butted in. Everyone went quiet. I know, continued the Fat Controller. We'll soon find out who's the fastest of you all. This was made in 1993. I will hold a racing competition to keep my times with my pocket watch. That will be best. Sure, let's do that. Everybody cheered loudly and began revving their engines in readiness for the races. Okay. Artwork by Mark Edwards. Yeah, you did great and all. Like, seriously, I'm not even joking. You did great. Except Gordon and James have a tender. I'm sorry to break it to you. Okay. So, let's set the options here, because I don't want to play as Thomas. One. I'm gonna play as James. Sure. Main line. Easy. On. And then, as soon as we beat someone on the main line, we're gonna keep going on the courses, and as soon as we beat someone on all the courses, maybe we'll stop this, maybe we won't. Honestly, the only one I've ever played is the main line one, and I've never even beaten anyone on that. And of course, we're versing Thomas. Good. Okay, doing good so far. Oh. Gordon, you know, really, no one likes you. Also, you don't have a tender, neither do I. Which is not a normal. I already have tons of fuel. What am I doing? Okay. Yeah, let's just keep going here. Just gonna wait for this thing to go down. Okay. We are way ahead right now. You can see on the middle of the screen, like, where the red dot. I don't think that's gonna last, though. James, like, never runs out of fuel. This is amazing. Kind of waited a little bit there. Oh yeah, yay, I was right. Yay, I won. Fun. We won, yeah. And Thomas's record is 1 minute and 4 seconds. Our record is okay. Sure, I have no idea what happened there, but whatever. 1. Let's do postal run now. Yeah, I'll keep the music on. Race game. Yeah, let's do this. Now we're facing Gordon. Fun. Okay. Kinda wanna try one of the mini games one of these times. Wow. What a way to start out. Oh, I tell you. And how exactly would you get around that? Oh, fatty. Well, we're getting beaten hard right now. Oh, Jesus Lord. Wow! Toby, really? I had faith that you would. Oh. What do you... How do you... Tell you what. I'm gonna try the minigame. Why didn't I just go for that B? That was so stupid. Bonus! James loses, even though I got a bonus. I don't know what that was. It doesn't even stop the race. Okay, well now we know what the minigame is. Let's try again. We're facing Bill. Yay. Now what I'm wondering is, how do you not get screwed over, like right here? You slow down, or... Apparently you have to do that. Oh, there's a way around that too. I didn't even know. Okay. We're... No, I'm not. Okay, okay, okay. So unfair. Okay. I guess you guys will be able to see who's winning. I really won't. Bill just got screwed over, and okay, we almost did. The AI just went right. Okay, no. He did know what he was doing. I'm gonna get T-boned. First, he could have T-boned me there. I don't know why he didn't. I win! Finally. A minute and 20 seconds. Dear Lord. Okay. Why am I doing a video on this game? That's really what I want to know. Sure. No, I didn't mean to do Woodglade, but whatever. We're doing it, I guess. Imagine a kid actually playing this on his Amiga. Imagine it. What does the bonus even do for you? That's what I want to know. This is my chance to get ahead, so I'm just gonna skip that. Okay, well, now we're like neck and... Dear Lord. The thing went up. Okay, it's up, so I guess that's a plus. Kinda have to get this. This is not good at all. He won. Okay. Well, let's try this again. Sorry for the lack of enthusiasm. I'm just... It's 10, okay? It's 10 in the morning. Percy versus Thomas. Who will win? We will find out eventually. If you guys want to know where my Majora's Mask Let's Play is, maybe putting that on hiatus. I can... What does that do for me? Okay, sure, whatever. I think that's my brakes. Okay. Why? And you still go the wrong way. Man. I don't think there's any chance of us winning at this point. Forget the fuel. That probably was not a wise choice. Oh, it's up. Oh, okay. I thought it was up. And I win at 0 fuel. Sometimes it's better to skip it. Mm, mm, mm. Minute and 2 seconds, man. How do you do that? People were cheering for me. Okay. And keep playing as Percy. The waterway. I feel like this is the one intended for Toby. Whatever. Let's see. Just barely missed that. A lot of signals and stuff on this one. No, forget it. Just trying to get to the water pump, isn't he cute? Oh, signal does not apply to me. Oh, wow, that would be cheap. You'd have to wait for that signal, and then... Huh. Just barely avoided Thomas there. You would have to wait for that signal, and then it would be a dead end. It's funny. Okay, well, slowly but surely he's catching up to me. So I should probably pick up the pace. Gordon's on the same line as me right now. No, okay. James is way behind. I think we pretty much got this in the bag, unless we like fail really badly right here, which we didn't. We win. We have won every course, everybody, in exactly 12 minutes. Now, you know what I want to try and do? I want to try and I'm just gonna see what it is like on mainline with hard. Okay? I'm gonna keep Percy. That should change things a little bit. Let's see. I wonder if it changes the course at all. See, it probably just adds more engines everywhere. Yeah, there's probably just gonna be engines around every corner. That's... And the computer actually knows what he's doing. That is so unfair. And, well, he's currently just standing there. Wait a minute. Why is the computer not moving? Is what I want to know. Did I accidentally pick 2 players? I think I accidentally picked 2 players. I know it still says CPU. Is it broken? Whatever, I'll take it, I'll beat it. Sure. Then we'll probably end the video. What on earth? Why is he not moved? Is he just gonna stay there? Forever? Oh my god, just barely missed that. Well, it wouldn't matter anyway, because the computer's just standing there. Okay. At 2 minutes. Whatever, alright. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.